Guys, I teach 3 sections in math: Math A, Math B, and Math C. And so I wanted to show you for Math A what we just finished. Let's see how I can get this so you can see it. We did ratios and proportions. And we just finished that, and we've had our first test on that. So when you go in and look at your student's progress report on online, you'll be able to see what they've completed and what they've done. Down here, this portion down here tells you what assignments they're missing, if any, or anything they need to do. Up here just tells you what we've done, what it was called, and if any assignments are missing. What we're going to do in Math A next is factoring. And we've started this, but we're going to continue doing this for a while until they can understand factoring. I have given all of the students a multiplication chart, and that's what we use. So if you'll encourage them to bring their multiplication chart and a calculator, that will really help them. In Math B, we have completed this unit. It was what are integers, and we are going to continue to do a lot of things with integers. Integers are just positive and negative numbers and how we combine them. The next unit we're going to do is integer operations. So we're going to do integers all kinds of ways. And we haven't started this yet, but we will. That will be our next thing that we're starting. Again, when you look at your student's progress report, you can see what they've finished and what they have left to finish and anything that they need to do. In Math C, we have taken our Unit 1 test. Our Unit 1 test was order of operations, and that will build on everything we do this year. For instance, on this progress report down here where I put those little arrows, you can see that he is missing his test, and he has most everything else in, but his test he was absent for, and so we just need to make that up. And he can do that anytime. So if your student has a question about when they can make things up, they can always contact me, and I usually let them do it in class. But if they need to come before or after school, they're always welcome to do that also. The next thing we're going to do in Math C is adding and subtracting of integers, and then we're going to go into multiplication and division of integers and all the rules that go with that. And they have started this. We're going to work on this for a few more weeks also, and then we'll have that next test. So we will have had probably 2 tests, 2 unit tests by the end of this term, which is in October. It's coming up quickly. If you have questions about how to find their progress report in PowerSchool, or Skyward, I mean, you can call the front office and get either your login and password or ask your student for their login and password, and you can print their classes for each class that they have. I am available if you have more questions. You can certainly email me anytime, but if you want to come in between the week of September 28th and October 2nd, I am available after school at 2 o'clock until 3:30. So let me know if you have any questions, and we're glad everybody's here and glad everyone's healthy. So thanks.